This is a GT Tequesta from about 1996. I'm going to refurbish this to try and get the authentic 1990s mountain bike experience. So here's the bike, let's see what we've got to work with. We've got some Velociraptor tyres, don't look too bad. Up front we've got some knackered barrels and cables that need some replacement. Looks like the headset's got some little pieces on upside down. That's a knackered bit of cable, bottle cage that's broken, chain with about 5 litres of motor oil stuck to it. Some brittle plastic disky things. Needs a wee bit of a clean up. Some chips in the paint, a bit of rust. Ruined old saddle that's fallen to pieces. And it looks like somebody doesn't know the Coke can trick, where you can just chop a Coke can up and make a shim rather than butchering the hell out of your seat post. Brakes probably need adjusted, good few rusty bolts, reflectors to come off. All in all though, should work out as a nice bike to ride. Just going to need some replacement bits. Here's a knackered hand grip. Cool, better get started taking this to bits and cleaning it up. Let's start pulling this apart. Tiny little seat post, I'm going to need something much longer than that. Seat clamp, put that in a reusing box. I've got a stand here to throw. That was loud. Lighter already. I'll pop the wheels off. Front wheel off. Just quickly chuck it into the smallest cog so we can pull that apart. Pop brake off. Off comes this lovely wheel. Pop this chain off. I think it's relatively unlikely I'm going to reuse this chain. It's a bit rusty and horrible. Man, this bike is dirty. And someone's used a lot of motor oil all over it. So everywhere, inside the seat tube, all over the chain, basically everything's coated with motor oil. Hopefully that means that since the seat post came out of the tube, hopefully that's going to mean that some of the other stuff isn't stuck. Maybe the bottom bracket won't be stuck and or maybe it'll even be fine. I'll take these reflectors off. Of these ratchet spanners. Get another reflector off. Glad that came undone. And this is a broken bottle cage, so it's going to the bin. Keep hold of this bit of outer because I want to cut the new piece the same size. Just pop this rear mech off. So frame's almost pulled apart, just need to rip the forks off, the cranks, that sort of thing. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to turn the bike into what you see on the screen. Cheers, see you later.